Okay, so let's go through the documents that you'll require for this course. Won't necessarily require them, but they'll be a great reference for you. So Siemens are great in that they have phenomenal forums online, and all of their documentation is available online as well. So if you've purchased a PLC or an HMI or a drive online through eBay or Kijiji or Amazon, and you don't have the documentation, then you can easily go onto their site, and just with a quick little search there, you'll be able to find everything that you're looking for. So we'll start off with this guy, the Siemens S7-1200 Getting Started. Okay, this one is 60 pages, just quickly walking you through how to set up a simple latch program. The second document, and again, you can download these guys at each of these links, and the PDF for this is below on this webpage. The second one is the S7-1200 System Manual. This is the larger one. This is 1,028 pages. So this is going to be a large read for you, but if you read this from cover to cover, it will basically cover everything you need to know for this PLC. So hopefully I'll cover all the basics, but if you want to delve into more of the specifics on this specific PLC, everything is available here. Again, the link is right here. Okay, and finally the S7-1200 Easy Book. This one's 300 pages, a little bit easier to digest. Goes through the basics on getting started, how to configure your device, all the way to PID configurations for the S7-1200. So this might be an easier manual to go through rather than the larger programming manual. But if you have all three, then you have everything you need for any type of PLC program that you're going to configure for this guy. If you're interested in getting a little bit more information on the actual product, then here's the link for the S7-1200 product webpage. So maybe you're interested in purchasing a 24-volt power supply or an Ethernet switch or additional I/O or an analog card, or you're looking at purchasing the HMI for this guy as well. This is a great reference for you guys if you're looking for additional products to purchase in addition to the small S7-1200 that you have sitting in front of you. All right, guys, that's everything we need. So go download those guys, and we'll reference each of those different PDFs throughout the course. We'll see you in the next video.